I'm the camp director of the Minxin Summer School.
I study natural sciences at St John's College, Cambridge.
I'm a fourth-year medical student from Cambridge.
I study at Oxford University.
Study chemistry at Wadham College, Oxford.
I study at Oxford University and I'm the mentor for the Queen's.
To teach our students on the space and ocean course, and I think the students are going to learn so much, and I can't wait to see how much they enjoy it.
On Space Camp, we're doing lots of different days where we're teaching about aliens or astronauts or exoplanets, and also lots of different experiments. For example, today what we've been doing is learning all about what it takes to be an astronaut. So we're looking specifically at zero gravity in like the International Space Station and kind of getting rid of misconceptions about it being to do. There's no gravity close to Earth.
So we've been learning about what's in space and the universe, and actually how big it is, and learning about cosmic distances and how far away planets are from each other, and some of the methods that we use to find this information out, including space telescopes and radar.
On day 3 of our camp, our students examined sonar technology. They looked at the science behind how it works. Students went on an excursion in the Greater Bay Area. One stop on the trip was Minxin Planning and Exhibition Hall. Here, students learned all about many of the future projects and current projects in the GBA, and they learned about how the ambitious plans are going to transform the GBA in coming years.
The Ocean Camp has been expertly designed to be fun, engaging and educational. Yesterday we went to a tea factory on our excursion. The kids got to learn how the drinks they take for granted every day are made, and it was also an amazing cultural experience for us mentors. What makes this camp different from the normal school experience is that it's very hands-on. The kids are always engaged, doing something or making something, and they're always having fun and being creative. Seeing the kids' creativity shine through their projects has been an absolutely wonderful experience for us.